Okay, guys. So we're gonna play. So go now, side.
Okay, we gonna play use the color. Next level 1.
Okay.
Okay, next level.
1.
What is a color?
Hopefully it is like
Blue?
one.
Blue.
Okay, Yusef,
Red.
Basim.
Green. The answer says
Who's winner?
green.
His color is
Red.
blue.
Yes. Get out of here. Yeah.
I'm 1 point.
You got a 1 point stage.
He's just joking. He's just inside, but he's lying. Go
Oi,
out.
oi. I'm out.
Okay, Zaid out. We gonna play
Who knows?
2 levels. 2 people is playing Yusef, Basim.
So we're gonna play now. Oh, don't be sad.
Guys,
What's the
it's so
color?
cry. Next color, we gonna play again. Color, what is color?
I'm blue. I'm blue too. What? Blue team. Red team.
Guys, it's so... Don't hear that, guys.
Bitch.
Winner is... winner is green.
Alright.
Next level 2.
Just finish the level 2. It's level 2. Copy level 2.
Okay, what is it? Color.
I'm gonna go. I'm white. Red.
What are you talking in the
Me?
Basim? What are you talking in?
What?
What?
White. Oh, red.
You.
I'm red.
Okay. It's gonna be red.
Yeah!
Okay, number 1, C is gone 1 point. Yusef out. Okay, guys, we're gonna be play. Zed is coming back. Play.
I'm out. Just kidding.
That's
It's
kidding.
0 point.
We can
Come back.
come back to it's 1-0 point, guys.
I'm here.
You guys,
Drop there. So
next
guys,
level.
Guys, after we finish. Oh! After this, we're gonna play Hello Neighbor.
Guys, watching the Hello Neighbor next. Guys, don't see that. We don't see this. Don't see.
Didn't easy.
Guys, guys, don't hear that noise. Okay, guys.
I'm back.
Wait, guys. It's not here.
Okay, we're gonna play now. Okay, we're gonna run 3.
Yeah. Yeah. No fun.
No.
Round 3.
No. Liar. What did you do? Yeah.
Okay, what's color next?
I'm tired to play this. I want to play Hello Neighbor. Let's go
Yeah.
play Hello Neighbor. No. Come on. Let's play Hello Neighbor.
Guys,
Time is play Hello Neighbor. What the?
we're gonna play Hello Neighbor.
Goodbye. Smash it, guys. Okay. Smash the summer. Smash it. Okay.
Smash that button.
Then
Let's go.
think of